myself Neetu Kumari. I am your science teacher and I am going to teach you the chapter of class 7. The chapter name is Nutrition in Animal and Human Beings. This is your second chapter. First chapter we have already done and I hope you will done their question answer. In this chapter we are talking and learning about the mode of procuring food. Procuring, it means capture of food. How can we capture the food and how the other animals capture their food? Let's see the different animals and different products to capturing the food. First, let's see in animal. In animal, pick up food directly into their mouth. Just like the example, cow, ox, and etc. In this type of animal, they catch their food directly into the mouth. In human being use their hands. They use their hand to catch the food and take the food in our mouth. Third one is amoeba. Amoeba use their ingulf. Ingulf means, let's see this structure. This is the structure is amoeba, and this part is ingulf. This is ingulf. When food particles come and near to the amoeba, this ingulf capture this food and assimilate in their body. In fourth one is a frog use their tongue. You can see that and you can already know that frog use their tongue to catch the food. A butterfly use their feeding tube. Feeding tube, it means their, in the Hindi sense, it means food. This is the feeding tube. Use of this feeding tube, butterfly use the and suck the flowers. And fourth one is hydra, use their tentacles. Tentacles means this is the structure and this part is the tentacles. These tentacles capture the food. A spider use their webs, matlab these thread-like structure, use their thread-like structure to catch their food. In the starfish use their tube-like feet. Starfish is the amazing thing. In the starfish use the feet for capturing the food. Let's see different steps in the process of nutrition. If we talk about the human being nutrition and other just like animals, what process are going to be the digestion and nutrition? The first is ingestion. Ingestion is the process where we taking food. Digestion is the breakdown of food. Absorption, the breakdown food is absorbed by our body. Assimilation, it going to all food particles and energy to the body and cells. Egestion is the undigested food excreted from our body. Let's see the main part of the digestion or nutrition. The main part is teeth in human being. Let's see the teeth in human being. In human, teeth grow twice in their life. Twice, it means 2 times. When we child, we have a teeth. This is called a milk teeth. And when we grow up, after that we have a permanent teeth. Permanent teeth has the number of 32. And in the milk teeth, the number of teeth is 20. There are, in the permanent teeth, we have a 4 type of permanent teeth. First, incision. The number of incision is 4 and this is also called the cutting teeth. Second one is canine. Canine is tearing teeth and the number of canine is 2. Premolars. Premolars is the grinding teeth. I hope you will understand the grinding. When we use it, you are already used the mixer grinder in your home. This is the one. Same as the process is grinding premolars. The number of premolars are 4. And last one is molar. Molar is also a grinding teeth. The number of molar is 6. Let's see the structure of teeth. In the structure of teeth, a teeth has two main parts. First, root, second, crown. Let's see. Each tooth is fixed into the socket in the jawbone by its long roots. In the center, there is a pulse for blood or nerves. This surrounded by dentine. Let's see the structure. You can see this. This is the enamel. This is the upper part of the teeth. This is the shining part of our teeth. Shiny or white part of the teeth. This is dentine. This is the inner part of the enamel. And this is the cementum. Cementum it produce strength to the teeth. And this is the pulp. Pulp is providing nerves to the blood supply. And this half part is crown. And this half part is root. This is the structure of root. And last, we are talking about the take care of tooth. Tooth is very important in our life. Without tooth, we can't smile, chew, or so many words that we want to eat or digestion. So, take care of tooth is very important. So, in the take care of tooth, we use twice a day brushing our teeth, avoid sugaring foods, and use a important thing to wash our mouth. And after eating or feeding, we can wash our mouth and take care of our teeth. This is the end of your video. And next video we are talking and learning about the digestion in human being or animals. You have the work to do